Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In the earlier sessions we have seen the classification of the memories, out of which let us take the physical characteristics of memory. Depending upon these physical characteristics of the memory, it can be categorized into two parts, that is nothing but erasable and non-erasable memory, as well as volatile and non-volatile memory. This categorization is dependent on the physical characteristics of the memory. As you will see here, the erasable memory, that means the memory can be erased and programmed once again, but in the case of non-erasable memory, the data can't be erased. Example, if you want, the example is nothing but the read-only memories. We can see that the read-only memories, you can only read the data, you cannot change the data. Okay, but the erasable memory itself is categorized into two parts. Okay, so first part, if we'll say, that is nothing but the location by location erasing. That is nothing but location by location erasing of data, in which the memory locations can be erased one by one and the new info can be stored. For example, in this system is electrically alterable ROM, that is nothing but the EA-ROM. On the other hand, we have the RAM data. The RAM, it gets automatically erased whenever a new info is entered in the RAM location. So if the RAM is full, if you flush the data into it, the previous data will be off, switch, it will be erased, and the new data or the new memory locations will be filled in with the RAM. On the other hand, next to it, all the memory locations are simultaneously erasable. That is nothing but all locations simultaneously erasable by means of exposing the memory chip to ultraviolet radiation. So by exposing chip to UV or the ultraviolet radiations, you can easily change the data or erase the data, or you can also program it. This kind of chip or this kind of memory is called as erasable and programmable ROM, that is nothing but EPROM, or you can also call it as electrically programmable or erasable programmable ROM. There is another type which is called as double EPROM, which is electrically erasable and programmable ROM. Moving on to the next part, that is nothing but volatile and non-volatile memory. So if the information is stored in a memory is lost when the electrical power is switched off, that is nothing but the volatile memory. So if you want to identify the volatile memory nothing but info is lost when power off. So that is called as the volatile memory. Example for it, example is the RAM or the random access memory is the volatile memory. If the light is off or the power for the circuit is turned off, then whatever the data stored in the RAM will be vanished, and again you have to fetch that data. So that's why RAM is called as the volatile memory. On the other hand, non-volatile memory information once stored remains the same until it's deliberately changed. So non-volatile memory, if you say, for non-volatile memory, that is nothing but the all ROMs. All types of ROMs or the read-only memories are nothing but the non-volatile memory. So these are the EPROMs, masked ROMs, double EPROMs. All the ROMs are non-volatile. So these are all about the erasable, non-erasable memories and volatile, non-volatile memories. So for more videos and ideas, stay tuned to In 5 Minutes, and thank you for watching this video.